If a different library has not created a serial holdings record that you can copy, you will need to create a new record from scratch. This video demonstrates how to create a new serial holdings record. Open the new drop-down menu at the top of the screen. Then press Serial Holdings Record. A new serial holdings record workform opens. Fill in the information on the Details tab. This includes status, destination, copy number, order type, collection, material type, completeness code, and call number scheme. Adding in a prefix or other parts of the call number is optional. The prefix could be in the item template instead. We do not use the Retention Designator drop-down menu, but you can add retention statements to a note field on the Notes tab. To add the bib control number, click Find. Click on the filter icon. You can filter the results by type of material of periodical or newspaper, then press Apply. Type in the name of the magazine, then press Search. Select the appropriate bibliographic record and then press Open. Next, you need to save the record before you add in the publication pattern. In the Publication Pattern section, press New Pattern. A dialog box opens for selecting a publication pattern template. There are many options for you to choose from, but you don't have to use a template if you want to create the publication pattern from scratch. If you'd like to use a template, select an appropriate template from the list. If you don't want to use the template, select None. Then press OK. For this example, I'll use a monthly pattern. If you want to create your own templates, you will need to do so from the serial holdings record in the client. When you've selected the template, press OK. The new publication pattern workform opens. Fill out the information on the Details tab, including category, arrival pattern, issues to predict, and unit price. In order to create the item records, check the boxes for generating items at check-in and prompting you for the barcode. Next, navigate to the Designation tab. Change the start date to the date for the next issue that will be checked in. Then press Save. You will see a dialog box appear that shows a preview of the issues that will be predicted. Press Predict. A toast will appear saying the issues or parts were successfully created. Close the publication pattern record. Then, refresh the serial holdings record. You can now see the publication pattern in the Publication Patterns section. If the issue will have a supplement, you can add an additional free text pattern. A free text or completely irregular template will be appropriate. More information on altering the pattern will be in a video on publication patterns. Next, navigate to the Notes tab. You can add a retention statement in the Shared Public Notes field. Next, navigate to the Orders tab. The owner should be your library's name. If you want to add claims information, click Find on the Orders tab of the Serial Holdings Record workform to open the Find tool and search for the supplier record. Click on the filter icon. Filter the results by owner and press Apply. Search for the name of the supplier, select it, and press Open. This adds the supplier name to the Orders tab. When you click on the Claims tab, you will see that the claims waiting periods from the supplier record have been added to the serial holdings record. Now you can save the record and close it. This has been a tutorial on creating new serial holdings records in LEAP. If you have any questions, contact help@ccslib.org.